morning, my name's James Hughes, Chief Market Analyst here at Scope Markets, and this is your daily briefing. Over the last week, markets remained nervous after suffering their biggest losses since the start of the crisis the week before. Despite the nervous feeling, stocks on Wall Street and in Europe posted small gains, but the general feeling of risk aversion remained throughout currency markets. For the start of the new week, it's the fears of a second wave of COVID-19 that still sits on the agenda for many traders. In the US, some states such as California, Florida and Texas reported record numbers, while in Germany the R rate jumped to 2.8. The US as a whole reported 30,000 new cases on Friday and Saturday, the highest one-day climb since the 1st of May. And in total on Saturday, 7 states hit their highest record infection numbers over the weekend. It's looking particularly quiet on the economic calendar for today and for the rest of the week. However, markets will continue to decipher last week's comments from Fed Chair Jerome Powell as he reiterated his cautious stance on the US economy. In the UK, the focus will be on Boris Johnson as he gets set to relax lockdown rules further. On Tuesday, the Prime Minister is expected to relax the 2-metre rule and allow pubs and some restaurants to reopen from July the 4th, and as the UK continues to try and rebuild. The relaxation of the 2-metre rule is seen as key for restaurant and shops to recover fully and is set to be cut after enormous political pressure from within his own party. Overnight, currency markets saw some key moves as the People's Bank of China kept interest rates unchanged as was expected. The Aussie dollar and the New Zealand dollar both saw gains against the greenback. While China's central bank did not act, it's still expected that there will be more stimulus added in the coming months. Stocks on Wall Street are currently forecast to open slightly higher, with the Dow Jones up 96 points and the S&P 500 forecast to open higher by 12 points. However, as Europe opens, we expect this to change.